Jibber value equivalent to $145.05 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $140 Jibber 5 cents, $146.89. The earlier day close, 141 Jibber 94 cents. The change was Jibber 3. Jibber, applesauce 2. 19 Jibber. Backwards rate. US to Jibber. Dollar to Jibber conjecture for November 2024. First and foremost cost at Jibber 0.633 coins. Exorbitant cost Jibber 0.806, while lows in 0.633. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.706. The Jibber to Sol estimate toward the month's ends at 0.752, change for November 18th. 8 Jibber. US to Sol Jibber for December 2024. First and Jibber cost at 0.752 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.752, while low Jabber 0.606. They found the middle value of costs at 0.69 Jibber. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends at 0.649, change for December 13.7 Jabber. Dollar to Jibber figure for January 2025. Before all else cost at 0.649 Jibber. Excessive cost Jibber 0.671, while lows in 0.585. They arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber 0.633. The US to Sol figure toward the month's end 0.625, change for January 3.7 Jabber. US to Sol expectation for Jibber 2025. Before all else cost at 0.625 Jibber. Excessive cost Jibber 0.625, while lows in 0.503. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.573. The US to Jibber gauge toward the month's end 0.538, change for February 13.9%. Dollar to Jibber gauge for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 0.538 Jibber. Exorbitant cost Jibber 0.538, while lows in 0.433. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.493. The US to Sol Jibber toward the month's end 0.463, change for spring 13.9%. US to Sol Jibber for April 2025. Initially cost at 0.463 Jibber. Excessive cost 0.493, while low Jabber 0.429. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.461. The US to Sol figure toward the month's end 0.459, change for Jabber 0.9%. Dollar to Jibber figure for May 2025. Before all else cost at Jibber 0.459 coins. Excessive cost Jibber 0.459, while lows are 0.369. They arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber 0.421. The US to Jibber conjecture toward the month's end 0.395, change for May 13.9%. US to Jibber expectation for June 2025. Before all else cost at Jibber 0.395 coins. Excessive cost Jibber 0.395, while low papaya 0.318. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.362. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's end 0.341, change for June Jabber 0.7%. Dollar to Jibber conjecture for July 2025. To start with cost at 0.341 Jibber. Exorbitant cost 0.341, while low Jabber 0.275. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.313. The US to Sol gauge toward the Jibber end 0.294, change for July 13.8%. US to Sol expectation for Jibber 2025. At the outset cost at Jibber 0.294 coins. Excessive cost Jibber 0.294, while lows in 0.254. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.279. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's end Jibber 0.272, change for August 7.5%. Dollar to Jibber conjecture for September 2025. At the outset cost at 0.272 Jibber. Jibber cost 0.281, while lows in 0.244. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.265. The US to Sol Jibber toward the month's end 0.261, change for September 4.0%. Jibber to Sol expectation for October 2025. First in Jibber cost at 0.261 coins. Jibber cost 0.261, while lows in 0.211. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.240. The US to Sol Jibber toward the month's end 0.225, change for October 13.8%. Dollar to Jibber figure for November 2025. Before all else cost at Jibber 0.225 coins. Excessive cost Gibber 0.237, while lows in 0.206. The arrived at the Gibber of cost ointment 0.222. The US to SAL figure toward the Gibber ends of 0.220, change for November 2.2%. US to Gibber expectation for December 2025. Before all else costed 0.220 Gibber, exorbitant cost 0.232, while low Jabber 0.202. The found the middle value of cost Gibber 0.218. The US to SAL gauge toward the month's end Gibber 0.216, change for December 1.8%. Dollar to Solana gauge for Gibber 2026. In the first place, cost at Gibber 0.216 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.216, while low Jabber 0.188. The found the middle value of cost 0.2 Gibber 5. The US to SAL gauge toward the month's end Gibber 0.201, change for January 6.9%. US to SAL expectation for Gibber 2026. Initially cost at Gibber 0.201 coins. Excessive cost Gibber 0.223, while lows in 0.193. The arrived at the Gibber of costs of 0.206. The US to SAL figure toward the Gibber ends of 0.207, change for February 3rd. Gibber percent. Dollar to Gibber figure for Walk 2026. Initially cost at Gibber 0.207 coins. Gibber cost 0.243, while lows in 0.207. The arrived at the Gibber of costs at 0.221. The US to SAL estimate toward the month's ends of 0.226, change for spring 9.2 Jabber. US to SAL expectation for Gibber 2026. To start with cost at Gibber 0.226 coins. Exorbitant cost Gibber 0.226, while lows are 0.182. The found the middle value of cost Gibber 0.207. The Gibber to SAL gauge toward the month's end 0.195, change for April 13.7%. Dollar to Solana Gibber for May 2026. Before all else cost at Gibber 0.195 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.249, while low Jabber 0.195. The found the middle value of cost Gibber 0.218. The US to SAL gauge toward the month's end Gibber 0.232, change for May 19th. Gibber. US to Gibber expectation for June 2026. To start with cost at Gibber 0.232 coins. Exorbitant cost Gibber 0.297, while lows at 0.232. The found the middle value of cost Gibber 0.259. The Gibber to SAL estimate toward the month's end 0.276, change for June 19th. Gibber. Dollar to Solana Gibber for July 2026. Before all else cost at Gibber 0.276 coins. Gibber cost 0.304, while lows in 0.264. The arrived at the Gibber of costs at 0.282.